The PROXXON battery-powered belt sander, BSA, the compact problem solver for many tricky grinding jobs in craft, industry and trade. The clever design of the grinding arm makes it ideal for working in small openings, regrinding surfaces and radii, deburring, removal of rust, chamfering, and much more. Also in places inaccessible to bigger and cable-bound devices. 2 operating modes can be selected. The linear belt guide at the lower edge of the grinding arm is recommended for machining flat surfaces. Round contours, on the other hand, can be processed perfectly with the unsupported top side of the belt. The versatile possibilities of the sander are extended by the continuously adjustable belt speed of up to 700 meters per minute. In addition, the grinding arm can be adjusted through 60 degrees. Maximum flexibility. The gear head, made of solid die-cast aluminium, provides the precise support for the drive components of the indestructible angular gear and the double-bearing drive roller for the grinding belts. These are powered by a finely adjustable, strong yet quiet-running permanent magnet DC motor. The motor housing is made of glass fiber reinforced polyamide and combines an attractive shape with high stability. The pleasant yellow soft component on the underside of the casing makes it a pleasure to work with the device in any position. The finest battery technology. Powerful lithium-ion batteries with a respectable 2.6 ampere-hour capacity at a voltage of 10.8 volts guarantee highest performance and long periods of use, even in the most demanding applications. We have provided a practical selection of different high-grade corundum grinding belts in 3 different grains for various materials and a multitude of tasks. On top, we offer a silicon carbide grinding belt for particularly hard materials such as glass or ceramics. Changing the belt is really simple. The used belt is simply pushed off sideways from the guide. The new belt is put on with the grinding arm slightly pressed in and is automatically tensioned by spring force after being released. Done. The belt sander BSA is supplied in an attractive and sturdy polypropylene storage case, together with a battery, the corresponding charger, and 4 grinding belts, each 2 different grains. Practical. Battery and charger can be used for all PROXXON battery-powered tools. This allows continuous work with several batteries without any problems. If one battery is in use, another is charged and is ready for operation again after approximately 1 hour, an invaluable advantage especially for the commercial sector. Especially interesting for customers who already own a cordless machine from PROXXON, the BSA is also available without battery and charger. The battery-powered belt sander BSA, a strong problem solver for trade and industry, one from a range of 6 PROXXON battery-powered tools made in Europe. A strong system. PROXXON, tools with character.